Hey everyone, Tony from Lebeg here, and today I want to show you how you can connect your Meta Pixel to your Shopify store in the simplest possible way. So this method is the one that we always recommend to all of our Shopify customers and all of our Shopify app users because it really is the best no-code option that you can use, and it gets the most accurate data for you back to Facebook. So really what this is going to be doing is this is going to be setting up the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store on the front end side, so in the browser, but it's also going to be taking care of the conversions API connection that you always want to have set up. You will need to verify your domain, and that is something that you can do in the Facebook Ads Manager with the Pixel settings. But like I've mentioned, you don't need Google Tag Manager, you don't need expensive coding solutions, you don't need outside developers to set this up properly because it's a one-click solution, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's just make myself a bit smaller on this screen for you guys, and we can dive straight in. So when you're in your Shopify store, and let me just remove this as well. You can't see it, but my recording settings are getting in the way. So how you can set it up and how you can set up the Meta Pixel on your Shopify store is that you go into sales channels, and you're going to see the Facebook and Instagram sales channel already installed here. If it's not installed on your end, you just need to search for it and download the app from the Shopify App Store. And when you go in here, you're going to see an option to start the setup. So it's going to say advertise your products on Facebook, and this is a really nice solution as well, because once you connect your Facebook ad account to your Shopify, so actually your Facebook business account to your Shopify, you're also going to be connecting and creating a product catalog that's going to allow you to do dynamic product ads as a retargeting option and to use your catalog in Facebook ads. So once you start this setup, the first thing you're going to need to do is to connect your Facebook account. It's already gone into mine. Then you just go and select a business manager. That's going to be Lebeg in our case. And now for the most important part to really set up the pixel, it's just here. So go change here. You have conservative data sharing, enhanced, and maximum. We always recommend going with the maximum data sharing option because this is going to be using the conversions API, and it's going to be sharing the most data back with Facebook, and it's going to get you the most accurate ad tracking that you can have on Shopify. Once you're done here, you just hit save, and that's going to be it. So you have the Facebook Pixel. You just need to select a pixel that you want to use. I'm going to use the Lebeg WordPress Pixel. Click connect. You're done. You need to agree to Meta's terms and conditions, submit it for review, and in a couple of hours tops, your Facebook Pixel is going to be connected to your store. So like I've mentioned, this is the simplest no-code solution that's going to get you the most accurate tracking if you're using Shopify. If you are, don't go with the Google Tag Manager option. It's never fully supported on basic plans of Shopify. Don't go coding it in yourself. If you're using any sort of checkout scripts right now for your Facebook Pixel, you need to remove those as well because this is going to be potentially doubling up your conversions in that case. But this right here, like I mentioned, simplest possible way that you can use to add your Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. So that's it from me for today. And if you have any other questions, we're always right here and we'd be happy to hear from you. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Have an awesome day.